Hadiva? Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog from Kerala, and today's video was taken from my in-laws house. I in fact published my previous video on this day morning just before reaching to my in-laws. Here along with parents, my younger brother-in-law and family stay with them. And my co-sister Sabina is working under government service. You can't see her right now at home as she's at office. They have 2 kids. The younger daughter is just a year old and she needs to be taken care because it's that age where they become too naughty to handle. So mom had to put her to sleep to prepare lunch and try to finish before we reach. But it's not favorable every time when infants are around. We give them a routine for sure, but sometimes they wake up unexpectedly. They cry with reason that's sometimes difficult to find out. And if they are not well, mothers are on full duty with them. Moreover, if we have guests at home, it's a marathon. I can relate to all this because I have gone through the same situation twice. So if there's a help at home, especially in the kitchen for cooking and cleaning, it's such a relief. It was ghee rice and chicken curry for lunch. Mom had already done more than half the preparation. As my father-in-law eats only fish, marinating few to fry. The marinade is a simple one. Some crushed ginger and garlic, some spice powders, adding some coconut oil. These are pomfrets. I get so many questions in my comment section as well as Instagram regarding the relationship we keep with each other and how to stay positive. Over the years, I've learned to accept the fact that each individual is different and they are from different backgrounds. Nobody is perfect, and that includes even me. It's a mutual understanding between each other. You have to be yourself and don't have to prove anything. At the same time, understanding the ups and downs is very crucial. Jealousy, ego, all these happens when we are not sincere to ourselves. So be kind, the rest is happiness. For the chicken curry, chicken was cooked by sauteing onion, tomato and many other spices. Only adding coconut milk was left. Let it boil and it's done. My mother-in-law will be upset if she see me showing this kadai that I'm using for frying papads. But this is reality. Even my mom has got few of her favorites, and those that's high time need to be thrown away. But still they keep it with them, either because of convenience or some attachment maybe. Time for food. Had taken short nap in the evening. And there's Sabina home after her work. She had bought some snacks on the way. I had shared a reel on my Instagram, a mini vlog sharing few moments. Hope you have already seen it.
എന്നെ മനസ്സിലായോ? ഞാൻ ശങ്കരൻ.
പ്രിയാജ അതോടെ വിളിക്കുന്നു.
പോട്ടോ, ഞാനിവിടെ ഉണ്ട്.
Every morning, as usual, mom wakes up before anyone. Will start the food preparation and we join. There was enough chicken curry left over from dinner last night. So it's just rice roti that we need to prepare to have it with. Today was Sunday, so it's off day for all, and everyone wakes up at different times. Here we all sit together for food, but on some days, especially mornings for breakfast, it's different because of the wake up time for each individual. So if the food is ready, we eat if we are hungry, saving for the rest. If you have seen my previous video, you might have seen the organic vegetables from our garden, and few had been taken to both our parents' home. So today for lunch, it's a traditional curry with it, which I have already shown many times. This vegetable is basically I think called yellow cucumber, and all you need to do is chop into small chunks or medium size. Add it in a pressure cooker, some green chilies and some turmeric powder. The best combination to this is beef fry or beef roast, though for me it's not the best what I like. I'm not a fan of this curry nor the combination. I'm a fish lover. Rice and fish curry is my all-time favorite best combo. Beef needed to be cut in smaller size and was not yet ready. So by that time, I prepared the masala in the pressure cooker. I love to add shallots for most of the traditional curries or dishes. My mother-in-law uses shallots very rarely or almost not. Instead, onions are used. So anyway, here for the beef, in a pressure cooker, I've added ginger garlic paste, chopped onion, curry leaves, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, salt, garam masala powder, crushed black pepper, fennel seed powder, fenugreek seeds powder, some coconut oil, and then mix really well. I will add beef once it's ready. Till then, we'll keep this aside. These are all the preparations that you can do to save time. The curry needs a ground paste of grated coconut, curd, along with green chilies and cumin seeds. The curd can curdle, so to avoid that, keep stirring even after it boils and stir for a minute or two. All you need for tempering is spluttering mustard seeds in coconut oil with some curry leaves and dried red chilies. Add to the gravy, cover to lock the flavor, and then give a mix after a minute. This is frozen jackfruit. Mom had stored it for later use. These are not the ripe ones. Add that to a pressure cooker. Cook with some salt, turmeric powder and enough water. Keep that for 4 or 5 whistles. It's not jackfruit season right now, but there are still here and there. Normally, the ripe jackfruits in monsoon doesn't taste good. This is anyway not ripe, and these are used to make a dish which is very traditionally prepared by our grandmoms and is passed over. The jackfruit is cooked. Mash it well. And to this add a ground paste of grated coconut, onion or shallots and some curry leaves. Mix well. It's monsoon and a black tea with this dish is divine. Temper it with mustard seeds, curry leaves and dried red chilies in coconut oil. The beef was completed in a pan that had curry leaves and chopped onion fried in coconut oil. I totally forgot to end this vlog in a proper way. Later that evening, I slept for a while and then we came back home. Next day, my husband had to leave to Kochi to meet his friends, so he dropped us at my parents' home. So that's all for today's vlog and I hope you enjoyed watching it. See you with more videos. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.